songs. Double blindfold bird songs. Name that bird.
Hey guys, it's LT from Dairy Dummies, and I'm doing some more Name the Bird. Yesterday I got negative 19 points. That's my brother in the background laughing at me. What? You tried getting like the negative 19.
Okay. It's easy.
Find that bird. Name that bird.
To
Here
go
we
back
go.
to the main menu, swipe up with 3 fingers. Name that bird. Bird is American. Read start. Good guess, but wrong. Better luck next time. Bird is American. Read. Bird is American. Wrong. Try again. Bird is American. Read. Bird is American. Read start. Bird is American. Read start. Bird is American crow. I'm afraid that's not quite right. Bird is American crow. Bird is Acadian flycatcher. Pick.
Yes, this.
Excellent. Keep improving. There are 2 birds
Of
left.
course.
Bird is American crow.
This. Of
Really?
course.
The more you try. Bird is
The
American.
more I
Bird is
try.
American. Perfect. Do it again.
Okay.
Only 1 bird and 1 song left. Bird is American crow.
There you go, Crow.
You got it.
Yeah.
You
Got
completed
it.
this
I got
level
it.
in 7
I
moves
got it.
and
7.
earned 2 points.
Yeah, okay.
Your total
More than
score is
yesterday.
2 points. And the bird fact for completing this level is snowy owls can almost turn their head in a complete circle.
Whoa.
To move to the next level, swipe up with 1 finger. Starting level 2. This level has 5 bird songs. Bird is American. Read start. Duh. Keep plugging away. Bird is American. Read start. Bird is barn swallow.
Bun swallow.
Wrong
I
again.
think I picked this
Stick
car
to
up.
it. You'll get better. Bird is barn swallow. Bird is Acadian flycatcher.
Who do you think he is, Mr. Incredibles?
No,
Superb.
a guy
Do
just
it
came.
again.
Well,
There are
listen,
4
this
birds
way,
left.
Flatbed.
Bird is Baltimore.
Are you still recording?
You baseball
I'm afraid
team.
that's not quite right.
Oreos.
Think positively. Bird is Baltimore Oriole. Bird is American crow.
I know.
No,
I know.
not a map.
I'm
Bird is
stupid.
bird is American crow. Bird is American crow. Bird is American crow.
No.
Bird is Baltimore.
Nope.
Bird is barn swallow. Bird is American. Read start.
Who are you? Yeah.
Tremendous. Guess again. There are 3 birds left. Bird is barn swallow.
No.
Bird is Baltimore. Bird is American.
I don't know.
Sensational.
Yeah.
Take another shot.
Okay.
There are 2 birds left. Bird is Baltimore Oriole.
You?
Wrong. Bird is Baltimore
this is
Oriole.
obvious
Bird
now.
is barn swallow.
Got it right.
Fantastic. Take another shot. Only 1 bird and 1 song. Bird is Baltimore.
The one that messed me up yesterday.
You got it.
Baltimore. Ding, ding.
You completed this level in 10 moves
Okay.
and earned 5 points.
Got it.
Your total score is 7 points.
Okay.
And the bird fact for completing this level is Mom and Dad puffins rub their beaks together to show affection. This is called billing. To move to the next level, swipe up with 1 finger.
That's weird.
Starting level 3.
What if humans
This
had to
level
kiss
has
like that?
7 bird songs. Bird is American robin. Wrong again. Bird is American robin. Bird is American robin. Bird is American robin. Bird is American crow.
No, I
Bird
know.
Bird is Acadian fly.
You?
Impressive.
Okay.
Guess again. There are 6 birds left. Bird is bay-breasted warbler. Really? Bird is bay-breasted. Bird is Baltimore Oriole. No. Bird is Baltimore. Bird is American. Read star. Much better. Pick the next song. There are 5 bird. Bird is barn swallow. Bird is barn swallow. Bird is barn
I
swallow.
know, babe.
Bird is barn swallow. Bird is barn. Bird is Baltimore. Bird is bay-breasted. Bird is American crow.
I know. I know you, Crow.
Smashing.
Yeah.
Keep
smash
improving.
It. That's
There are
annoying.
4 birds left. Bird is bay-breasted warbler. Still wrong. Bird is American robin. Good guess. Bird is American robin. Bird is bay-breasted. Bird is Baltimore Oriole. Bird is
Thank you.
barn swallow.
This is Barn Swallow.
Fantastic. Keep trying. There are 3
I'm
birds
doing this in a
left.
parking lot, so.
Bird is Baltimore Oriole.
You? Yes, 2 more.
Terrific. Don't keep the birds waiting.
Okay,
Pick
well.
again. There are 2 birds left. Bird is Bay Breast.
Oh, wow.
This is
Good
easy.
going.
Mom,
Guess again.
you know those
Only 1
sprayers?
bird and 1 song. Bird
All
is
the water
American.
evaporated.
Yeah.
Terrific.
It didn't take me 46 tries this time.
You completed this level in 12 moves
Okay.
and earned 9 points.
And if you're hot,
Your total score is 16 points.
Yes.
I brought the cup
And the
holder,
bird
too.
fact for completing this level is the smallest
the cup
flightless
holder.
bird is the island rail.
really like
This tiny bird lives on the remote island of Tristan da Cunha in the Atlantic Ocean and is just 5 inches long,
The whale?
about the same size as a hen chick.
A hen
To move
chick?
to the next level, swipe up with 1 finger. You scored 16 points in 3 levels, and beat your prior high score of minus 19 points.
Okay, I got higher than negative 19, but that's your positive number. Okay, so
That's like your dating status. That's like your dating status. Negative 19.
my dating status is not negative 19.
Yep, mine's over 9,000.
What do you mean? You've been dating your girlfriend less than I have.
Your point?
It can't be over 9,000.
Yours is negative 9,000.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
you're 9,000. I'm over 9,000. I'm 9,001.
More like 9,000 and stupid.
You're like 9,000 and done.
More, you're like 9,000 and
What
never.
What if your girlfriend just walked up to you and said, what if you said, hey, our dating is over 9,000? You're like, you think we're over 9,000? Guess what? We're 9,000 and done. I saw you cheating on me.
I did not cheat. I never cheat. I
I'm
have
loyal.
I have never broken up a relationship. It's on the girl's end, not mine. She always says she wants to stop.
Wait, can they hear us right now?
Can who?
The people that you're recording.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I was about to say that I've actually cheated on a girl when I was like 7. I didn't know what cheating was.
Boy.
I thought it was okay to date like 7 girls at a time, so that's what I did.
Boy.
And then they found out about each other, but they were actually cool with it.
Boy. What your
But you want to know
problem?
something?
What?
3 of them were triplets.
What?
3 of them were all sisters. And it was really fun. Oh, it was fun.
What's fun about that? You could have gotten the crap beat out of you.
But I didn't.
That's because you were in 2nd grade.
Man, it feels good to be a gangster. Dabbing them haters. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Dance party.
while he's
Oh, yeah.
dabbing on some haters that I don't even see, I'm going to be a boss as always. So,
Where the boss at? I know I ain't looking at it.
look at me. That's where the boss is.
Look at you.
This big, handsome face.
You look like you're from the Wizard of Oz.
Huh? I'd rather be from Harry Potter, so.
No, you look like you're from the Wizard of Oz. You look like the bottomless pit.
The bottom is who?
Bottomless pit.
That's in Gravity Falls.
There's more than one bottomless pit.
Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna be tossing him into the bottomless pit.
Subscribe to Mac Attack 5545.
Never. Don't do that.
Subscribe to Mac Attack 5545. It's the Deadpool head logo. He's trying to cover my mouth, but I have 2 hands. He has 1. And let me just lock his arm up.
So I'm gonna be tossing him into a bottomless pit. Absolutely.
No.